everyone! Today we are drawing beautiful giraffes. Let's get started.
Let's start with the giraffe's head. We'll draw her tiny horns, and her cute little ears. Now let's draw her face. A sweet smile, a small nose, and two little eyes with eyelashes. So adorable! Next, we draw her body, her long legs, little hooves, her mane along her back, and a tail with a fluffy tip. Now it's time for her pattern. A giraffe's body is covered in beautiful spots. Let's draw all of them. Now let's start coloring. With brown, I'll color her ears, her little horns, the tip of her tail, and her hooves. All her spots will be brown too, and her mane as well. Now I'll take orange and color her whole body, her head, her tail, and the space between the spots. Of course, her smile will be red and her eyes will be bright blue. Let's add some fluffy clouds in the sky and color them light blue. On the right side, we'll draw a tree. The leaves will be green, and the trunk will be brown. We'll color the grass green too. On the left side, let's draw two little birds far away in the sky. Finally, I'll softly color the background yellow, like warm sunshine. Ooh, wow! The giraffe is coming to life. Thank you for watching the video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and see you in new videos.